Hello everyone. This is a task in my internship from Techno Hacks. The first task is like we need to install any Linux based operating system in our computer using a virtual computer environment or virtual environment, which can be done using two platforms. One is VirtualBox, another is VMware. I will show you both the techniques, how to install a Linux based operating system in a Windows machine using the two virtual environment softwares. So firstly we need to go to Ubuntu website that is present here, and then we need to click here. Okay, we need to just check, we need to give the cookies allocation, and then we need to go to products, and then Ubuntu desktop, and then we need to click here, download Ubuntu desktop. It will download an ISO file which is necessary for the installation of Ubuntu operating system in our computer. So firstly we need to like download this ISO file. Along with this we need to download a virtual environment. So for that purpose we can use this website, VirtualBox. Basically this is an app which will install any operating system in your Windows machinery. Basically it will create another computer in your computer. So it is like use how we will clone apps in our mobile, right? We will create two WhatsApp for different accounts in a same phone. Not the same scenario, but here we are creating another computer which for which we allocate some cores, some process, some part of the processor and RAM, and we will do that. So for that purpose we use VirtualBox and VMware software. VMware, both we can use. So VMware is available here. Just you need to click and we need to download it from here. Now VMware is acquired by Broadcom, that is another thing, but you can use both Oracle VirtualBox and VMware Workstation. So I have installed both the things. So yeah, let me just open my VMware software. Yeah. So this is the VMware software, as you can see here. Here I have already created my virtual machine, which is named as Ubuntu 64-bit because my processor is a 64-bit processor. So for creating a new machine, you need to like go here, create a new virtual machine, and you need to perform some necessary steps, which are as follows. You need to go and click first of all here, I will install the operating system later, and then you need to click next. You need to specify whether which operating system you are going to install, my MS, Windows, Linux, etc., and you need to choose the version. You need to go for Ubuntu 64-bit, and then you need to click next, and you need to like name your machine and all those things you have to do. And after that a machine will be created which can be named anything, and then you need to go click on the machine and then click on edit virtual machine settings. After clicking here, you need to allocate the required number of processor, memory and hard disk, and you need to attach your ISO file which will be named like this. So currently I am using the 24-year version, which is named as 24.042 and so on, and you need to attach the ISO file here, and you need to click on OK, and then you need to basically on the Ubuntu machine. So let's wait. And then you need to create your account. Basically I have created my account here before only. After creating your account in Ubuntu, you just need to log in. Let's wait. I will just explain about this environment. Here you can control your virtual machine, like power, turning it on, off, etc. What are the devices you need to attach, then managing this virtual machine. Now, yes, our Ubuntu is open. It's showing welcome to the Ubuntu LTS. We will skip. We don't need any. We do not need any pro version. No. We don't want our system data to be exposed. Then finish. So this is the Ubuntu operating system. This was my first task in my internship from TechnoHacks, and now the second task is like regarding the basic command line interface and how the commands are being working in the environment. I will be explaining that in the next video. Thank you.